How to make borders of the video.
We're independent!
How to make border blue. Okay, how to make border blue. What? Okay, my sister's like, oh my goodness, my no-fi.
For all of it?
How to make border red. Then screenshots.
What are you gonna mix it with?
How to make border green. It's like green screen. Then we go to spring. Okay, exit the feels dizzy one. Let's do okay, let's do border red. Yeah, first let's do border red. What? Okay, border red. Okay. Subscribe if you like making borders on the KineMaster or Alight Motion. Pick a video. I'm choosing camera. System. Okay, system UI. Border red. Let me charge my phone. It says a system UI. That means how to make border green. Overlay. Camera. Me. Okay. Let me charge my phone because the notification it said it's a system UI. Okay. This is how to make border green. The last one, how to make border blue. It's like Vegas Pro or Motion. Yeah, it's like the Vegas Pro version. Border blue. That looks like reverse echo.